Okay students, now we are going to start with the formula of a plus b whole cube. How to derive this formula a plus b whole cube. So let us start. So instead of cube, we know the formula of a plus b square. Okay, so we are converting this into a square. How? See, instead of cube we can write a plus b square into a plus b. We can write this. Okay, now this is 2 power and this is 1 power. Total we can have 3 power. Now we can use formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here we have a plus b again. Now if I multiply it inside, first of all we will multiply with a. So a and a square becomes a cube plus 2 a into a, that is a square into b. Here we will have b square a plus, if I multiply b inside, it will become a square b plus 2a b into b square, so 2a b square plus b into b square, it will become b cube. Now if we arrange it properly, it will become, let's say first of all we will write the maximum power a cube and b cube. Okay, now if you can observe, this is a square b, this is also a square b, this is 2 time and 1 time, so total becomes 3 times a square b. Okay, now this is ab square, this is again ab square, 2 time and 1 time, so it becomes 3 times ab square. Okay, so that is how we can have the formula of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now again we can also write it like this, a cube plus b cube, take ab common, 3ab from this. Okay, now if 3 is get common, b is get common, from a square 1a is get common, so 1a is remaining, here 1b is remaining. So these two are the formulas, both are same and both are valid. You can use any of one from these two formulas. Okay, that is how we can have the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now suppose instead of a plus b, suppose we have a minus b, then how we can do? So there is nothing difference between this and this. Okay, there is nothing difference in the method of solving the question. Okay, we are using shortcuts here. See, instead of plus we have minus b here. Okay, so in this formula instead of plus b we will write minus b. This is the only change that we have. So let us put this here, a cube is as it is, plus instead of b we will put minus b cube, plus here 2a square into minus b, 3 plus 3 a into minus b square. Okay, now if we solve it, it will become a cube. We have odd power here, so minus will remain minus, so plus minus minus b cube. Here again plus minus minus 3a square b. Here minus b square becomes plus b square, so it will remain positive 3a b square. Okay, this will be the formula of a minus b cube, or we can also write it like this, a cube minus b cube if we take 3ab common with the negative sign, okay, we have taken negative sign common, so sign will be changed here. It is negative, it will become positive, and this is positive, so it will become negative. So a square, the remaining part will be a here, remaining part will be b here, and sign is minus. This will become plus and this will become minus. So that is how we can have the formula. Now if you can observe here, there is nothing a change, a big change. Okay, instead of all positive signs, we have all negative signs. So you have to replace all the positive signs with negative signs. Okay, and you will have the formula of a minus b whole cube. Just if you want to use this formula, okay, just here you will have plus, otherwise at all places you will have minus sign. Okay, in next video we will discuss some other formulas. Okay, till then you just practice these two formulas. Okay, thank you.